हरे कृष्णा एंड दंडवत प्रणाम एवरीवन. सो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल विद कृष्णा. सो व्हाट्स अ कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल? अ कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल इज समथिंग विच इज हैपेंड बिटवीन मोर देन टू पीपल, राइट? सो कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल, ये टॉपिक मुझे इसके ऊपर मुझे वीडियो बनाना था क्योंकि whatever conversations we have with our family member or parents, whoever it is, always remember that there is third person who is present, and that's Krishna. Always. You don't need to put a camera or a CCTV or record certain conversations to have a proof that what's going on. No, because Krishna is the eternal CCTV, which is going to note everything, even your thoughts, even your, he's inside of you. He knows all your thoughts, he knows your mind, he knows everything about you. So always remember, before talking behind someone's back, or wishing ill upon someone, or planning or plotting against someone, Krishna is going to note down those thoughts. And if that person who you're thinking ill about someone also, ऐसा हो वैसा हो, वो इंसान को कृष्ण वार्निंग की तरफ से, दैट इंट्यूशन, जो हमारी इंट्यूशन होता है कि ये कौन सही है कौन गलत है, कृष्णा हमको वो इंट्यूशन दे देंगे, बिकॉज ही नोज हु इज राइट फॉर अस, हु इज रॉन्ग फॉर अस, व्हाट दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट अस, व्हाट he is thinking or she is thinking about us. So Krishna will automatically warn that person if he is truly pure and innocent with his heart, and he is connected to the divine source. He will know everything. And that is what is spirituality: to connect with God, to connect with Krishna, to activate that connection, or that line which is there present with us, which is connected to the Lord. And that activation is Naam Japa. Your Naam Japa bead, bead bag is like a umbilical cord connected to Radharani and Krishna. So that's the connection. So always remember, the next time you're having conversation or a private conversation, always remember that you are not just alone. There is Krishna sitting next to you. He's within you. He knows everything. Just be careful, because don't think ill about anyone, because you don't know that person's previous birth. That person must be connected to the Lord. He must be so dear to Krishna, and by doing certain things you'll just upset Krishna, and by hurting someone or even having ill thoughts about someone, automatically Krishna's mercy and the spiritual gifts given to you by the Lord, by Guru Maharaj, the mercy given to you by Guru Maharaj and Krishna, will be taken away from you. So always, सब लोग अपने अपने आत्मा को बचा लीजिए. ऐसा कुछ कीजिए ही मत कि it's going to ruin your soul's journey. And every day is a choice which you're making, which is going to protect your soul. Sometimes Krishna breaks your heart to save your soul. It's a very beautiful line. Sometimes Krishna breaks your heart to protect your soul and save your soul. What's important is your soul's journey and going towards Krishna. Don't do anything which you're going to bring your spiritual journey is going to go backwards. जो आपने इतने जन्मों से योग तप व्रत करने के बाद यहाँ तक पहुँचे, गुरु महाराज मिले, ऐसा कुछ भी कार्य मत कीजिए कि विच इज़ गोइंग टू रूइन दैट इतने जन्मों का योग तप व्रत या तपस्या या नामस्मरण जो किया है वो रूइन हो जाएगा. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट कृष्णा इज सीइंग एवरीथिंग. ऑलवेज हैव प्योर इंटेंशंस विद एवरीवन. यू कैन say something good in front of someone and be something behind. No, Krishna doesn't like hypocrisy. He doesn't like dual-faced nature. He loves innocent people who they are in front of the entire world. They are in their ekant. They are in their private homes also, with their private families also. The real person, the honest person. One of the qualities of a Vaishnav is that they're honest. They're real. They're genuine. They're true. So always remember that there's a conference call which is there, which is happening every single day, where Krishna is always present. He notices everything down, and you're going to get according to that. If you're doing something wrong or treating someone wrong, it's just going to come back to you. आप सिर्फ अपने कर्म बिगाड़ सकते हैं. अपने कर्म का कंट्रोल आपके हाथ में. किसी और के कर्म का कंट्रोल आपके हाथ में कभी भी नहीं मिल सकता. कृष्णा भी इंटरफेयर नहीं करता है in the free will. Only you have the power to design the next body, or you are the architect of your own destiny, and that's so true. जो पिछले जन्म में योग तप व्रत किया है इसलिए इस जन्म में ये मिला है, अगले जन्म में हमारे रिएक्शंस जो अभी हम कर रहे हैं या भक्ति कर रहे हैं या किसी के लिए क्या सोच रहे हैं, किसी के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं, वो अगले जन्म का हमारा बॉडी क्रिएट हो रहा है, you know. So just be careful, just remember that you can lie to the entire world, you cannot lie to Krishna. Be, you know, ऐसा कुछ भी मत कीजिए कि गुरु महाराज के सामने जाने से आप उनके सामने नज़र नहीं मिला पाओ, या बिकॉज life is too precious, life is too precious to ruin your soul's journey, and कुछ गलत करके कुछ हमारी सोल जर्नी ख़त्म कर दो, ये नहीं हमारे हाथ में है कि हम लोग, हमारी स्पिरिचुअल बॉडी हमें वापस मिल सकती है, या हमें रसातला लोका के इधर जाना है या गोलोक की तरफ जाना है. इट इज़ ऑलवेज इन आवर हैंड्स, so just be careful. Just treat everyone, because if Krishna loves everyone, we have to love everyone. See divinity in everyone, at least try. ये कॉन्शियसनेस हमें बहुत मुश्किल से मिलता है और कृष्ण की कृपा से ही मिलता है, महाराज की कृपा से मिलता है. बहुत जन्म के प्यूरिफिकेशन या नामस्मरण करने के बाद ये हमें कॉन्शियसनेस मिलता है, जो सिर्फ एक कृष्णा की गिफ्ट रहती है. बट ये सारी जो मर्सी है, without Krishna's mercy we can't go to him, Maharaj's mercy we can't go to him. And how we can get that mercy is that proving it to Krishna that we are serious, not gossiping. ये dinner table के ऊपर gossip करना, रही इसके बारे में सुना, what's happening in his life, what's happening in her life, what's happening, and laughing on someone's life. No, a Vaishnav's quality is किसी को दुख में देखना, हम दुखी हो जाते हैं कि अरे यार he is hurting यार, किसी को दुख में देख के खुश होना इज नॉट अ वैष्णव क्वालिटी. किसी को दुख में देख के खुद दुखी होना इज अ क्वालिटी ऑफ अ वैष्णव एंड अ ट्रू वैष्णव, दैट ओ माय गॉड he's not in the right mental state, he's going through something, and Krishna is also hurting by seeing that person hurt, because that person is Krishna's child, and automatically Krishna is connected to that person. So please be careful. Always remember that Krishna is noticing everything. It's like and it's going to come back to you, good, bad, everything. So just chant your rounds, do namasmaran, do everything in the remembrance of Krishna. Make Krishna the family member of your house. Make Krishna the center of your life, and do everything for the pleasure of Guru Maharaj and Krishna, and that's how we can please Krishna and go back to him. So Hare Krishna, and please sincerely I pray that we all sincerely chant our rounds. Hare Krishna.